first way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all. Yeah.
What's your poppin' with your period? Now you already know by the title what we're doing. We're doing a braided bun, and I also will be including at least 3 different designs you can do when you do your braided bun. But just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification button because we will be posting. And I say we because you is a part of this family once you subscribe, and that's just on period. So we just gonna get right into the video. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is actually section off the hair. This first design I want to show you guys is actually, I did this in my previous video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will include a little picture right here of the title and everything. I'm actually parting it halfway. So once you part it all the way across, but I'm actually doing at least 3 different designs so I can show you guys how I do it. I'm going to take a section from here, right by the ear, you guys can see that, all the way to the middle. And this is going to be the first design actually. We're going to leave this part out. Okay guys, the first design, I'm going to do a zigzag pattern. I'm trying to get the part right, a zigzag pattern on both sides. So what you do is you part it straight down and then just braid down as you do the design. You stop, you don't braid it all the way down. You stop there and you take this here and you come up. Like how you part it down, you go up. And then it's up, down, parting basically. So you guys see that? It's like a zigzag pattern. It's not going to be perfect on the mannequin head, but we're going to give it a try. So yeah, that's the first braiding pattern, which is zigzag braid. So let me show you guys. You can see that. So I'm going to speed it up, you guys, and do the same thing on the other side by the ear. And come back when I do the second freaking braiding pattern. Period. You guys, I actually finished the design. I didn't break this one all the way zigzag because I'm trying to do a cute little design. These ones connect. Tighten it and then just comb this part out. And then boom. There go the first design, guys. The next design we're doing. So I'm just going to do a regular one and then pick the next design in the middle. So I'm actually braiding it regular. This can be a design, right? So what I'm doing is separating the two so I can just braid it. I'm actually connecting all of the designs together and into the middle, and then I'm going to put it in a bun So that was the reason of this video, was to show you guys at least 3 designs, braided designs actually. But as you can see, guys, you see, this is what I'm doing, and I'm actually going to do the same thing on the next side and just connect it with a rubber band. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm actually done with the second, not really, but a design. So in the middle, I'm actually going to show you guys another design. It's very easy. So what you do is, you part it in 2 sections. After you got your 2 sections, what you do is, this design I've done in another video that I posted already, and I will include the names and things right here. So yeah, if you want to go watch it, I've done the same pattern on that video. So what you do is, you got your 2 sections, you pick one section in the rubber band, another section, well, part that one section into another 2 section, but make the middle one a little smaller than the one on the end. When you do that, you do the same thing to the other side. So after you've done that, you connect both of them that you put for each side. Do like triangle plaids, box plaids. So in the front, I'm going to do triangle. I'm going to show you how to do it with the triangle kind. And then in the back, I'm going to show you with the box plaid. So what you do is, you start parting triangles. So after you part the little triangle, you start braiding it. You just do triangles all the way in the middle with this middle part. So I just finished braiding them. Yeah, I think this is my 3rd design if you guys count the straight design. So I'm going to just say this is my 3rd one already. And then I'm going to show you the 4th one, period. So we're going to just get right into it. Let me do this close up real quick. Hold up. Let's get right back into it. So we're going to take these parts and actually connect them. Braid these triangle plaids into this braid. Going back. Just continue watching, you will see what I'm talking about. And I'm actually going to do that on the other side as well. These are the designs. The first design was a zigzag. The second was just a straight braid going back. This one is a zigzag / triangle braided into a straight braid. So I'm going to show you guys the last one. I'm actually going to show you guys one just like this, but with this square. Okay, so we're parting this in the middle, just like we did the front. It's the same method, but it's still shape. The first part on the first ponytail that I sectioned, and then I'm actually doing the same thing to the other one, and actually just braiding them box braids, and then separating it into each braid, and I'm gonna braid it up. So I actually just did a little part in the back. And I'm going to do triangle plaits going straight down. So I'm going to do the first one on the top so you guys can see. And I'm going to speed it up. Okay, so after you finish the braid in the middle, what I'm actually doing is I'm going to braid regular braids on this side right here because it's going to look big and chunky and I don't want big. Okay, what you do is, let me show you guys. You take the top one, go on one side, the other one that side, this one that side, like that, and you braid it like that. So that is the design, the last design I'm doing, and I'm actually braiding them into the braid going up. Just stay tuned, period. I'm actually braiding this up, and braiding regular braids on this side. So just stay tuned, keep watching, period. Turn on the notification button, because what are you doing? Period. So we're going to speed it up. I'm actually braiding it up, so that's what you're going to see. But yeah. You guys can see it is done and put in a ponytail. I'm actually braiding this regularly like this. Just straight. I'm trying to show you guys. Just straight like this, going up. And then we're going to do the bun and we'll be done. Period. Just keep watching. Okay, as you can see, I am done with the braided pattern. The first braiding pattern I actually did was the zigzag. Then I did the straight pattern. Then a triangle zigzag braided into a regular braid. Don't know what it's called. And also the square pattern braided into a regular braid. And now I'm going to do the bun. I made this out of a sock because I don't have a bun thing. I do, but I can't find it. Get this on here. It's very easy. You can section this off like in the middle like that. And then just comb it around the bun. Then take your little rubber band, whatever, and put it over it. Just like that. Don't tighten it yet, you gotta fix it just in case it's showing or something. And if it's okay, then you grab it, but hold that part and then wrap it around. So this extra part here, you can just braid it around, you can wrap it around, you can do whatever you want. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And tell me how I did. Rate me 1 through 10 on this hairstyle, of course.
All the problems, like this video is it. Like your hair must be messed up and stuff. If you came to my video, you click this video.
Period.